Hey, welcome to the Non Smoking Center Geneva. My name's Jerry. I'm the founder member here in Geneva. The protocol that I'm trained in and use has treated over 10,000 people successfully, which basically means with a money back guarantee, 95% proven success. Okay? This is what I'm offering for you. I want you to stop smoking for many, many different reasons. But think of it just from your health side, from the money side, from the amount of time you're going to save. Okay, the way your loved ones, they'll be so impressed with the fact that you just quit, and you quit just like that. It was easy, it was effortless, and it's completely natural. Okay, I treat smoking as it is an issue. Yeah. You're on this page because you obviously find it an issue. Hopefully you'd like to stop. I can help you stop once and for all, permanently, 2 hours, finito, no more smoking. If you smoke for any reason whatsoever, then the doors are open. I will give you another session free of charge. And every session thereafter, free of charge, yeah? But obviously, you have to really want to stop smoking, okay? So if you don't really want to stop smoking, let's not waste 2 hours of your time and 2 hours of my time continually, okay? So, why do you want to stop? That's the question. That's what I'd love to know. It's very important that it's you that wants to stop. And some of the things that maybe you can think about is like the money. One packet a day will save you approximately 3,000 Swiss francs per annum in Switzerland. One packet a day, if we assume 5 minutes per cigarette, that adds up to over 608 hours of smoking. Not to mention the fact that when you go outside for a smoke, certainly if you're at work, you're going to spend more than 5 minutes. You're going to be talking to people. It's more of a social break. So it's probably going to be a lot longer than that. So that's another thing to think about. Your health. Of course, no one wants to be controlled, ruled by cigarettes. You don't want to smell of cigarettes. You don't want to set a bad example to children, to your offspring, okay? Or to students. You want to be remembered as someone that did lots of good in this world, not someone that people remember just purely because of the last 3 months you were in hospital and you had all of those problems that might arise from smoking cigarettes. And as a result, they'll remember you from all those hospital visits, from the fact that you smoked right through until the very end. Yeah, you don't want them to think like that. You don't need that. You want to go out feeling great. You want to go out feeling, that you've done what it was that you had to do and that you've been of value and people will miss you. Yeah. So please, for your sake and for all of your loved ones, if you can stop smoking, it would be terrific. It'll save you a lot of money. You'll get to live, hopefully, a lot longer. And you'll get to enjoy some of the spoils with your children, with your grandchildren, or even just on your own, yeah? You'll be able to go on those holidays or do those extra things simply because even 8 francs a day adds up mighty quickly, yeah? Mighty quickly. So lots of good reasons for you to want to stop. Just make sure, and that's what I have to make sure, is it's you that actually wants to stop, okay? Not a medical emergency or anything like that. It's you. You come to me and I will guide you. You're the one that's going to be doing the work, because even hypnosis is only self-hypnosis. I'm there as a guide. You follow my instruction, you will get the benefit, you will get the reward, okay?